Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to use VLOOKUPs to combine data from multiple worksheets or possibly even multiple workbooks if they're all open. So the file will be Pine Valley Temp. If you used to watch All My Children on TV, you know where Pine Valley is. If you didn't, that's fine. So here's the problem. We've got salary data for a bunch of people in the salary worksheet. We've got the age of each person in the age worksheet. We've got the experience of each person in the experience worksheet. And the names are listed in different orders in those worksheets and also in the summary worksheet. And we want to bring this stuff all together. And it would be horrible if we had 50,000 names to look up each person's age and then throw it in the age column, each person's experience and throw it in the experience column, and each person's salary and throw it in the salary column. But VLOOKUPs enable us to bring things together from different worksheets very efficiently. So if I want to get the age of each person, I do a vertical lookup. The lookup value is the age. Now I go to the age worksheet, and I've got a table range, which would be this. You got to $sign this. F4 key lets you $sign easily. If you hit F4, I'm hitting F4 repeatedly, you cycle through the $signs. We want everything $sign because it doesn't change. Our answer's in the second column, and we want to put a false there because we need an exact match. And that should work if I copy that down. And a little trick, I can drag this down to copy the formula with a crosshair, but let me show you a better way. If you see that little crosshair and you double click the left mouse, it'll copy the formula down the entire column to match what's to the left. And let's go to experience now. We would do VLOOKUP, again the person's name. Now experience is in this worksheet. Again, I use F4 to $sign. Second column, and I need the false. Why do I need the false? Because my first column of each table range is not numbers in ascending order. Double click the left mouse. And if I do salary, I want to look up based on that person. I'll come to the salary worksheet, hit F4, comma 2, comma false. And that should give me each person's salary, which I could format. And that works fine. Now, a little trick here. See, I double click to copy formulas down a column, or I could basically drag it. But let's just take these away right here. Suppose I did the whole first row of formulas. If I select all three columns, get the crosshair, and double click the left mouse, it goes down all the way also, which is really quite cool. So I think that shows you really why you need to know the vertical or horizontal lookup function, because it lets you bring stuff together from multiple sources into an efficient form. And that's what a lot of Excel skills are about, trying to move stuff around efficiently. And there is a way to do what we did here more efficiently using range names and indirect function. And once we learn those tools, we may come back to this example and show you a more efficient way to basically merge the age, experience, and salary databases in a summary worksheet.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.